After opening the product, you will see the cam box protective cover and various fixtures. Oil collector cam. First, we open the camshaft housing placed on the workbench. Take out the sensor and liquid level tube from the package. Place the cam sensor and tighten the screws. Please ensure that the cam sensor is 1 mm away from the signal ring. If the distance is too close, please add adjustment shims. Now install the EUI fixture. We take the Delphi E1 type as an example. Select the model first. Click to continue. Click on the help document. Can see the required cam 006. Oil collector 305A. Fixture 309C. Top rod screw 309B. And remember to turn in the right direction. Now connect the coupling. Fixed box body. Open the back cover of the cam box. Replace the cam. Loosen the cam and tighten the screw. Use a cam disassembly tool to remove the cam. Replace the 006 cam. Place the arrow slot. Place the cam. Fixed cam screw. Be sure to tighten the screws. Be sure to tighten the screws. Cover the back cover. Install liquid level pipe. Come here. Wrapped with raw adhesive tape to ensure sealing. Tighten the connector. Insert liquid level tube. Install thick and thin rods. Install thick rod. Find the middle board and open it. Reinstall the thin rod. Install the middle plate. Drop down. Install the upper board. Find the fixing screws on the upper board. Attention direction, facing downwards with grooves. Install long screws. Install fixed protective cover. Use screws of this specification. View the required oil collector fixture. Top pole, cushion block. Install the response time sensor into the oil collector. And install 2 nuts into the top rod screw. Install the top rod screws. Install the fuel injector onto the fixture. Install the fuel injector fixtures in sequence. Oil collector, gasket block. Use a torque wrench to tighten the screw. The torque wrench uses this torque. Now adjust the position of the top pole. This is 270 degrees. Rotate the cam to the lower pivot point. The rotating screw comes into contact with the fuel injector. Then tighten it again by 270 degrees. Fixed nut. Keep the top pole still. Tighten the screws.